The EFF leader, Julius Malema, and his bodyguard, Adriaan Snyman, expected back in the East London Magistrate's Court today. Yesterday, the court ruled that video footage of Malema allegedly discharging a firearm at the party's 5th birthday celebrations in East London, this was back in 2018, can be used as evidence. Now, the two are on trial for unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition, including recklessly discharging it, endangering the people and property. Let's speak now to our colleague Linda Mnisi, who is down in East London. Linda, good morning to you. So that particular evidence now ruled as admissible in court. What was the defense's argument about not allowing this footage?
Well, you remember, Koli, that essentially the defense put out an argument that nobody would be able to authenticate that video footage. In a sense, nobody would come as a state witness to say that they filmed this particular video. Therefore, the authentication or, the issue around the owner of it, really hang in the balance at the time. And the defense was saying, because we don't have a witness, or the state will not bring such a witness, then this video footage cannot be admissible. Of course, we live in the times of fake news. This video could have come, from anywhere, really. So in this sense, because there is no person who will come and own up and take responsibility and say, at such and such a time, I was the one that filmed this video cannot be admitted into court as evidence. But of course, we saw that ruling by the magistrate allowing it on the basis of relevance. And therefore what we saw was 3 videos being played in court and 2 witnesses, in fact, being called to come and testify and look into those particular videos. But what is interesting, Paul, is that the witnesses could only identify 2 of the 3 videos, and those videos come from the footage that they filmed on that particular day. This is now the production house that was responsible for filming the EFF's 5th birthday. And what's interesting coming out of the first witness, who was an audio-visual technician at the event, what he says is that at no point did he hear any shooting at that particular stadium. His focus was mostly on the monitors as he was vision mixing what was coming out of the content that was being filmed at the time. The other witness was a branch manager of that said company, that technical support company, Gearhouse, who basically detailed how law enforcement came and asked for that video footage to try and see if the shooting itself was captured on video, but also if the stage that was used on the day was damaged as a result of the shooting. And he says, well, upon their inspection, there was no such damage on the stage itself, because it would have compromised the integrity. So upon their inspection, there was no such a thing as damage on that particular stage. So at this very moment, these are the witnesses that the state has called to testify around this video. You'll remember initially they had also said that they would call witnesses who would identify the footage or identify the contents of the video, not necessarily own up and say they are the ones that filmed that video footage. The 3rd video wasn't identified by any of the witnesses.
Linda Mnisi, thank you very much for that update. That court case set to resume in this hour of 9.